Hey guys, it's Keyshawn Dillery here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please like, subscribe, and welcome. Today we're going to turn a TWA, my teeny weeny afro, into large, luxurious, bouncy, bohemian passion twist. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay guys, you're going to need some clips, combs, baby hair toothbrush, rubber bands. Going to need some mousse, and I like to use some lotion to keep my hair hydrated. I use two different types of hair. I'll link it below, but I just want to experiment. We're going to start with clean, fresh, moisturized, oiled hair. That's what you see here. And you just want to kind of part it in sections. I like to go around the perimeter just to part it in sections, just to hold place. Then we're going to go back and actually slick up the parts. Okay guys, there's no certain method to my parting style. I just kind of feel it and make it crooked and just free parts. I just want to reiterate guys that I started with fresh, clean, oiled, and super moisturized hair. I use a buttercream, I use tons of oil, I use Shea moisture, oil cluster leave-in. I use just so many products that's going to keep my hair oiled and moisturized. So make sure you're starting with very moisturized hair. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll tell you what I use for A/B hair. As you can see, all done, just sectioned it off and put it in rubber bands. Now I'm going to go in and actually slick down the parts with the rubber bands. I'm back. I have slicked down most of my hair off camera. I'm going to show you how to do two on camera. As you can see, I have 2 twists per one ponytail. I'm going to go in with more oil. Can never have too much oil. And I prefer twisting too on the thicker parts of my hair, because when I put the braids in, or the twist, it's going to help blend it better. So yeah, just watch. And guys, what I'm using to slick my hair down is just edge control and some of that lotion, the lotion in the beginning of the video, the Shea Moisture Restore Lotion. Don't put your rubber bands tight. I only do it like 2 or 3 times. And I'm just going in with extra moisture, getting my baby hairs. And I'm going to twist the 2 twists I was telling you about. And it just helps it blend better, and when it comes out, like your hair starts to show, you just wet your hair and put your curly cream clustered in there, and it's gonna look like you did it on purpose. It's gonna look good. I'll show you. Okay, all done with that. Here is the look when it's all slicked and juicy and moisturized. And now let's get into the install. I'm going to do the rest off camera, and I'm going to show you the first 2. So now you just want to take like 4, 5 different strands between the 2 packs, twist it. I like to put tons of oil and moisturizing lotion on the extension hair too, to keep that moisturized. Just helps from the frizz. Now you're going to open your needle, put the hair through the loop. You're going to make sure you close it when you pass your hair, and then hold it, pull it through. Okay, this part is a little tricky. You're going to need your fingers to get in between the loops so you can know which side to pull. Sometimes you're going to pull all of one strand out. It's okay. But just be careful. Want to pull one side of it and hold the other. And you should be able to pull it. Tighten your rubber band a little bit. This part is so tricky. You just have to figure out which way the hair is going. So even if you do it the wrong way, you just undo it and retwist it. Because the way the hair will twist will make your twist stay in place. So if it unravels and looks weird, just retwist it the other way. Really simple. You see, I'm checking to see if that's the right way the hair is going. As you can see, I went the wrong way, so I'm going to do it again and just retwist it, my hair, the other way with the extension hair. And you want to kind of like twist each side and then twist it together and twist up. So try to twist the way the curls are going and twist up to make it tighter. Your hair may come out of the twist, and that's perfectly fine. You can try to twist it again and make it tighter, or you can just leave it like that. Because after, you see what I'm saying? After, I'm going to show you how to put another twist in to fix it. And when you get to the bottom, just add more oil and edge control and keep twisting. Okay, so when you're done twisting, if you don't love it and too much of your hair is sticking out, you can just take like one more strand of hair and go in and basically twist over that. Twist. I'll show you right now. You want to go in with your crochet needle, loop your hair in, pull it through, make sure the little thing is closed. There we go. The strand is through. Now, you want to take the hair and kind of twist it, wrap it around your twist. Both strands, pull it together and wrap it around. And you're kind of just twisting over that twist. And even though some of your hair is still out, as you can see at the top, that's okay. It's going to make it look like a nice little curl that was there on purpose. Okay, as I twist my twist, I like to go in with a little edge control as I twist down, a little mousse, just to keep the hairs, the extension hairs in place. And as time progresses, the oils will make the hair not frizz as much over time. Now it's time for the other side. You want to grab between 3 to 5 strands of hair. I do different amounts per the parts, so bigger parts get bigger, more strands of hair, and smaller parts get smaller strands. But I use between 3 to 5 throughout my head. Now you want to make sure the clip is open. I hold that little clasp down, then I pull it through, push it through under the rubber band. Take your hair, And you're going to make sure it's stuffed in there. Now you have to make sure the thing is closed before you pull it through. You see my mistake. Okay. Once it's through, hold the other side and only pull one side. See? So after you have pulled it through, you're going to take both sides of the hair and you kind of twist each side as you twist up. Like I taught you earlier. Keep twisting and then twisting up. And as you can see, a little piece of my hair came out. And I'm just going to probably go back in with one more strand to cover that part up. And then as you can see in the other twist, the little curl looks perfect. That's where you get the messy bohemian vibe. Also, I also did like two extension twists per one ponytail along the thicker parts of my hair, like maybe two. So if your hair is like so thick and it keeps coming out, you can just literally add another twist and make it a separate two twist per one ponytail with the extension. It's your world. Do what you want to do. Once I'm finished, I like to go in with either the Shea Moisture Mousse Wrap or the Lotta Bodies. I like the Shea Moisture because it says shine on it, so hey, I went with the shine. I go in with a lot, like a killer amount, just to get those frizzes together in place. And I also put a lot on my little hairs that are sticking out. And I just kind of go twist the ones that are acting up, and I put more mousse on it. This is a bonnet I got off Amazon. I love it. This is how I go to sleep. Perfect. Follow my directions and you're gonna get this hairstyle. See you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.